Early morning start today for our climb up to Fuerte. 6 o'clock we were meeting down at Barver 2 days. So I had a little wander through the town on my way down to the meeting space. I love the early morning starts, especially in the summertime. Beat the heat. You gotta have your little head torch on, of course, for the first hour or so. But once you get to about 7 o'clock, no major problems. The views on the way up are really quite nice because you have the lights of Frigiliana shining and also the lights of Nerja. It was quite bright this morning by the time we got up to about the first ridge, and the sun had already risen, although it hadn't broken over the mountains at that stage. But we had plenty of light to walk by and it was no problem at all. Quite nice when it comes up over the hill, you know, like that. El Fuerte is a good climb. It's roughly 700 meters of ascent. The starting point in Frigiliana is at 300 meters above sea level, and the highest point is just a couple of meters short of 1,000 meters high. And today myself and Graham decided we would have a pop at the peak, the true summit, let's say, because it's very rough, it's very overgrown, it's quite difficult to get up to it. So myself and himself took a little detour and dived up onto the true summit. But the main summit, where most people go, just over there, it has a trig point on it. And Linda was already there with her cup of coffee and her sandwich already out. So we made our way across and spent 15 or 20 minutes there having a rest. For me, hiking is like medicine. I need it. And especially hiking early in the mornings. Daytime hiking is all well and good, but I do love to get up with the crack of dawn and get up into the mountains as quickly as I can. Today, the distance today is not that far. It's only about 8 kilometers of a round trip, but with 700 meters of ascent, it can be quite steep in parts. And as you can see, Frigiliana just below us there, 4 kilometers away from the summit. So 4 hours up and down. 4 hours up and down. And it's a really nice trail. It's a well-marked trail. It's a well-trodden trail. And it's one of the best routes to use to get a good peak, to get great views without too much hard work. Because it's only 4 or 5 kilometer trek from the start to the top. And when you get to the top, you have this really nice flat plateau area, and it has the trig point there. It has some lots of rocks and stones that you can sit down, get your flask out, and have a bite to eat, and take in the spectacular views really all around. I hope you enjoyed our little hike up to El Fuerte today. If you're ever in and around the area, I'd be more than happy to bring you up there. It's one of my regulars, one of my favourites. Take care. Bye now.